Once upon a time, in a small, sleepy town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious and kind-hearted girl named Emma. Every night, Emma would gaze out of her window, marveling at the twinkling stars above. One evening, as she looked up, she noticed something unusual, a bright, shimmering star falling from the sky. With wide eyes and a racing heart, Emma rushed outside and followed the glowing trail that led her to a small, shimmering crater in the meadow. In the middle of the crater lay a tiny, glowing figure, no bigger than a firefly. It was a star, and it was not just falling. It was hurt. "Oh no! You must be the star I saw falling," Emma said gently. The star flickered its light and gave a soft, melodic chime, which Emma somehow understood as a greeting. "I'm Stella," said the star, her voice like a soft breeze. "I was on my way back to the sky, but I got lost and fell. Can you help me get back to the sky?" Emma nodded bravely. "I'll help you, Stella. But how do we get you back up there?" Stella's light grew brighter as she explained. "I need to reach the Sky Gate, a magical portal hidden on the highest mountain. Once I pass through it, I can return to my place among the stars." Without hesitation, Emma and Stella set off on their journey. They traveled through the forest, over babbling brooks, and up the winding trails of the tallest mountain. Along the way, they encountered friendly creatures who offered their help, wise old owls, chatty squirrels, and even a playful fox who guided them through a tricky path. As they neared the top of the mountain, dark clouds began to gather, and the wind howled. Emma and Stella were not deterred. They pressed on, their determination shining as brightly as Stella's light. Finally, they reached the Sky Gate, a magnificent arch made of shimmering stardust and moonbeams. But it was guarded by a grumpy old cloud who grumbled, "Who dares to pass through the Sky Gate?" "It's me, Stella," the star replied. "I need to get home to the sky. I've been on a long journey and I'm very tired." The cloud hesitated, but Emma stepped forward. "Please, sir. Stella is a kind star who lights up the night sky. We've traveled far and faced many challenges to get here. We only ask that you let her pass." The cloud, touched by Emma's sincerity, softened. "Very well, you may pass. But remember, the true magic of the stars is found in the kindness of those who help others." With a burst of light and a gentle breeze, Stella floated through the Sky Gate. She turned back and beamed with gratitude. "Thank you, Emma. You've helped me more than you know. Because of you, I can return to my place among the stars and shine even brighter." Emma waved goodbye as Stella ascended into the sky, her light blending with the constellation of stars. The night was now filled with a beautiful sparkle, and Emma felt a warm glow in her heart. As Emma made her way back home, she looked up at the night sky, knowing she had made a difference. She crawled into bed, her eyes heavy with sleep but her heart light with joy. And as she drifted off, she imagined the stars winking down at her, saying, "Thank you, Emma. Keep shining your kindness, just like we do." And so, with a smile on her face, Emma dreamed of magical starry adventures, knowing that even the smallest act of kindness can light up the darkest night.